Best espresso machines. Are you looking for the best espresso machines? In this video we will look at 5 of the best espresso machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine, BS876BSS, is a semi-automatic espresso maker designed for coffee enthusiasts seeking a cafe-quality experience at home. This model stands out with its Impress puck system, which ensures consistent dosing and precise tamping, reducing mess and improving extraction consistency. It automatically calculates and adjusts the dose, delivering a polished puck with a 7 degrees barista twist finish, ensuring even water flow for optimal flavor. Equipped with a conical burr grinder, the machine allows users to grind fresh beans directly into the portafilter, preserving aroma and flavor. It offers 25 grind settings, enabling fine-tuning for different coffee types and preferences. The integrated thermocoil heating system provides precise temperature control for consistently hot espresso shots. The steam wand allows for manual milk frothing, giving users the flexibility to create microfoam for lattes or cappuccinos. Its powerful steam output ensures silky, cafe-style milk textures ideal for latte art. The machine also features a 2-liter water tank with a built-in filter to maintain water quality and enhance the flavor profile of each brew. The stainless steel design adds durability and elegance to any kitchen, while the user-friendly interface with clear controls makes operation intuitive, even for beginners. The low-pressure pre-infusion function gently expands coffee grinds before the full-pressure extraction, resulting in balanced and flavorful espresso shots. Overall, the Breville Barista Express Impress offers a seamless blend of automation and manual control, making it suitable for both novice and experienced users. Its advanced dosing and tamping system, combined with a powerful grinder and steam wand, delivers consistent, barista-quality espresso and milk-based drinks, making it a top choice for home espresso lovers. Number 2. Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine. The Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine is a compact and user-friendly espresso maker designed for convenience and versatility. With its sleek stainless steel exterior, it adds a modern touch to any kitchen while offering reliable performance for espresso enthusiasts. The machine features a touchscreen control panel, making it easy to navigate through brewing options with a simple touch. Equipped with a 15-bar pump, the Café TS ensures optimal pressure for rich, full-bodied espresso shots with a balanced crema layer. Its thermoblock heating system provides rapid heating, allowing users to brew espresso and steam milk without long wait times. The machine is compatible with both ground coffee and ESE pods, offering flexibility for different brewing preferences. The 50-ounce removable water tank supports multiple brewing cycles before needing a refill, making it suitable for daily use or small gatherings. The machine also includes a self-tamping portafilter, simplifying the brewing process by ensuring consistent pressure for even extraction. Additionally, the programmable cup sizes allow users to customize the volume for single or double shots, catering to personal preferences. For milk-based drinks, the commercial-style stainless steel steam wand efficiently froths milk, creating creamy microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. Its swivel action offers flexibility in positioning, making it easier to froth milk directly in a pitcher. Cleaning is convenient with the removable drip tray and water tank, ensuring maintenance is hassle-free. The compact design makes it an ideal choice for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. Overall, the Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine combines functionality with modern aesthetics, making it a great choice for users seeking a straightforward and efficient espresso experience at home. Its touchscreen controls, flexible brewing options, and efficient steam wand provide a satisfying coffee-making experience for both beginners and seasoned espresso lovers. Number 3. DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso and Coffee Machine, ECOM 22080SB, is a versatile and user-friendly appliance designed to deliver cafe-quality beverages at home. Its sleek silver design complements modern kitchens while offering robust functionality for coffee lovers. This fully automatic machine is equipped with a built-in grinder, ensuring fresh grounds for every cup and maximizing flavor extraction. With its one-touch latte and cappuccino system, the Magnifica Start simplifies the process of making milk-based drinks. The automatic milk frother creates creamy froth with just a button press, making it effortless to prepare lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. The machine's intuitive control panel features clearly labeled buttons, enhancing usability for both beginners and experienced users. The conical burr grinder offers adjustable grind settings, allowing users to customize the coarseness of the coffee grounds for different brewing preferences. The dual heating system ensures optimal temperature control for both brewing and milk frothing, delivering consistent results every time. The machine also supports the use of pre-ground coffee, providing added convenience for quick brewing. The adjustable spout accommodates various cup sizes, from espresso shots to larger mugs, reducing splashing and maintaining beverage quality. Its removable water tank simplifies refilling and cleaning, enhancing the overall maintenance experience. The drip tray is also detachable, making it easy to clean and maintain hygiene. With its energy-saving features, including an automatic shut-off function, the Magnifica Start is designed with efficiency in mind. Its compact footprint makes it suitable for smaller kitchen spaces without compromising on functionality. In summary, the DeLonghi Magnifica Start ECAM 22080SB offers a seamless blend of convenience, customization, and performance. Its built-in grinder, automatic milk frother, and one-touch brewing system make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy a variety of espresso and coffee drinks at home with minimal effort. Number 4. Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine, BS878BTR, in black truffle is a high-performance espresso maker designed for coffee enthusiasts seeking barista quality results at home. Its sleek, modern design with a matte black finish adds a sophisticated touch to any kitchen while delivering powerful functionality. One of its standout features is the integrated conical burr grinder, which grinds fresh coffee beans on demand, ensuring optimal flavor extraction. The grinder offers 30 adjustable grind settings, allowing users to customize the coarseness of the grounds to match their preferred brewing style. Paired with the 54mm stainless steel portafilter, this machine consistently delivers rich and balanced espresso shots. The Barista Pro is equipped with the thermojet heating system, which reaches the ideal extraction temperature in just 3 seconds, enabling users to start brewing almost instantly. This rapid heating system also provides precise temperature control, ensuring optimal flavor consistency. A key highlight is its intuitive LCD display, which guides users through the grinding and extraction process with real-time feedback, making it easier to achieve the perfect shot. The display also includes a shot timer, helping users refine their espresso making technique. The powerful steam wand produces microfoam milk, essential for creating latte art and enhancing the texture of milk-based drinks like cappuccinos and lattes. Its manual milk texturing capability allows users to experiment with different frothing techniques for personalized results. The machine's 2-liter water tank is removable for easy refilling and cleaning. Additionally, the dedicated hot water outlet is perfect for making Americanos or preheating cups. The compact design saves countertop space without compromising on functionality. In summary, the Breville Barista Pro, BS878BTR, combines speed, precision, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for coffee enthusiasts who want professional-grade espresso at home. Its built-in grinder, rapid heating system, and customizable settings provide a seamless brewing experience with exceptional results. Number 5. Breville Bambino Plus. The Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine, BS500 BSS, in brushed stainless steel is a compact yet powerful espresso maker designed for those who want cafe-quality coffee at home without the bulk. Its sleek and minimalist design fits easily on any kitchen countertop while maintaining a high-end, modern aesthetic. One of the key features of the Bambino Plus is its thermojet heating system, which reaches the ideal extraction temperature in just 3 seconds, significantly reducing wait time. This rapid heat-up capability allows users to brew espresso and steam milk almost instantly, perfect for busy mornings. The machine utilizes precise PID temperature control, ensuring optimal water temperature throughout the extraction process for consistent flavor. It also features pre-infusion technology, which gradually increases water pressure at the start of the extraction, ensuring even coffee ground saturation for a balanced and rich espresso shot. A standout feature is the automatic steam wand, which produces silky microfoam milk for lattes and cappuccinos. The steam wand offers 3 adjustable milk temperatures and 3 texture settings, allowing users to personalize their milk-based drinks with ease. The high-pressure steam system also provides enough power to create professional-quality microfoam for latte art. The 54mm stainless steel portafilter ensures a full-bodied flavor, while the 19-gram dose replicates the amount used by professional baristas. The Bambino Plus also includes a low-pressure pre-infusion feature, enhancing extraction consistency. With a 1.9-liter removable water tank, refilling and cleaning are convenient. Its compact design makes it ideal for smaller spaces without compromising on functionality. Additionally, the brushed stainless steel finish not only looks elegant but also ensures durability. In summary, the Breville Bambino Plus, BS500 BSS, is a compact and efficient espresso machine that delivers premium coffee experiences with professional-grade features. Its rapid heating system, customizable milk texturing, and precise extraction make it an excellent choice for coffee lovers who seek convenience and quality in one package.